Laoghaire, and so right now I'm in Dunleary. It's the main port of Ireland. Behind me there's the National Yachting Club. People come here to drive their own yachts, and they can come to beaches. There's hotels, there's food options like McDonald's, Burger King, and all those things. So it's a very good place. Come join me. So guys, I'm right now in a pier, and behind me there's the National Yacht Club, and those are loads of yachts here. And in the day, people come here to drive their yachts. There's also events in the yacht club. If you're in Dublin and you have a yacht, you should join. It's really fun. Now, and if you're not, then now you can have a look. So it's a very good place. So let's go further, shall we? So guys, behind me is the famous Kingstown Hotel, and that's Maritime Clock Tower, and that's the National Yacht Club. And over there, as you can see, is a lighthouse. I know if any of you have ever seen a lighthouse. Actually, this is my first time. You can see the blinking light of the lighthouse, and that's the lighthouse. And like in any normal pier, you know, there's fish and chips and food trucks and snacks, ice cream. So, you know, shops, snack shops. So these are the yachts. There's loads of yachts behind me. And so I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Peace out.